Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about the latest trends and developments in technology, business, and society. This is a platform where we delve into the intricacies of the evolving digital landscape, dissect the future of business based on contemporary innovations, and decipher the potential societal impacts of such changes. On this channel, I strive to keep you abreast with cutting-edge developments, in-depth research, and expert opinions. Today, I am excited to bring to your screens a fascinating topic, the impact of artificial intelligence on employment. We will be discussing a report by the International Monetary Fund that elucidates how artificial intelligence will modify and influence a staggering 60% of jobs in developed economies in the near future. This is a significant issue, and its implications are vast and complex, touching every corner of our lives. I encourage you to engage with the content, share your thoughts and insights. This is a very important topic that affects all of us, so make sure to watch till the end and leave your comments below. AI is the term for computer systems that can perform tasks usually associated with human levels of intelligence, such as understanding language, recognizing images, making decisions, and learning from data. This includes comprehension of complex languages, identification of different images, decision-making in uncertain circumstances, and deriving meaningful patterns from raw data. The rate at which AI has advanced in recent times can be attributed to several key elements. Firstly, the unprecedented availability of large datasets. Secondly, powerful computing resources capable of processing this data. Lastly, the creation of unique and groundbreaking algorithms. These developments have set AI on a trajectory to revolutionize sectors. Industries like healthcare, education, manufacturing, transportation, and entertainment are already witnessing their potential. AI has the potential to transform many industries and sectors, such as healthcare, education, manufacturing, transportation, and entertainment. But what does this mean for the future of work and employment? When we think about the implications of artificial intelligence, we begin to visualize the transformation that industries across the globe are likely to undergo. AI is no longer a concept of the distant future. It is here, reshaping how businesses operate and how jobs are performed. As we move forward, the intriguing interplay between the advancement of AI and the workforce is a topic that demands our attention. A key concern is how AI will affect labor dynamics. Will there be a shift in the end supply in various job sectors? We also need to explore how AI could possibly influence the skills that are in demand and consequently the wages of workers. Moreover, as AI changes the landscape of work, it is also essential to delve deeper into how it might reconfigure the distribution of income and wealth. Will it create larger disparities, or will it ensure a more equitable distribution? The International Monetary Fund, IMF, has been actively seeking answers to these pressing questions. Its latest report, titled Artificial Intelligence and the Future of Work, has tried to untangle the complex relationship between AI and labor. The report was published ahead of the World Economic Forum in Davos, where AI was one of the main topics of discussion. The main finding of the report is that AI will affect 60% of jobs in developed economies, such as the US, UK, Germany, and Japan. In particular, its influence will be significant on job sectors ranging from manufacturing to service industries, from advanced technological fields to more traditional domains. This is a transformative shift, indicating that more than half of the workers in these developed countries will witness considerable changes in their day-to-day tasks, job descriptions, and even their professional identities. The influence of AI isn't restricted to just job roles. It extends to the very fabric of the working environment, changing how businesses operate and how employees engage with their work. The report further breaks down this impact into negative and positive shifts. It suggests that around half of these jobs face adverse consequences due to AI integration, including job displacement and role obsolescence. On the other hand, the remaining half can expect a positive impact. Opportunities for professional growth and development, increased productivity and efficiency, and the creation of new job roles are some potential benefits. The report predicts that around half of those jobs will be negatively affected by AI, while the other half will see a positive impact. The negative impact of AI refers to the possibility that artificial intelligence will replace some of the tasks that are currently performed by human beings, leading to lower labor demand, a decrease in wages, and a significant reduction in hiring rates. This is a pertinent concern in today's rapidly evolving technological landscape. AI, with its impressive computational capabilities and efficiency, is poised to take over tasks that were previously thought to be exclusive to human labor. This process of replacement is not merely restricted to industries that are directly associated with technology. It is rather universal, affecting diverse sectors including healthcare, finance, and transportation. This could potentially occur in jobs that are considered routine, predictable, and low-skilled. Examples of such jobs include telemarketing, where tasks like customer interaction and complaint handling could be automated. Similarly, data entry jobs could be automated using AI that is programmed for pattern recognition and data processing. In retail, cashiering duties could be replaced by automated payment systems. So, the implications of AI are quite extensive and could fundamentally change the employment landscape. Therefore, it is essential to consider necessary measures to mitigate this negative impact. After all, this could happen in jobs that are routine, repetitive, or low-skilled, such as telemarketing, data entry, or cashiering. The positive impact of AI refers to the possibility that AI will complement and enhance some of the tasks that humans currently perform, leading to higher labor demand, higher wages, and increased hiring. AI, or artificial intelligence, has the potential to revolutionize the way we work, play, and interact with each other. It's not just about robots and automation, it's about intelligent systems that can understand, learn, predict, and operate autonomously. AI can potentially enhance human capabilities, allowing us to accomplish tasks more efficiently and effectively. For instance, in the fields of surgery, AI can assist surgeons in performing complex procedures with greater precision. In law, AI can help legal professionals in researching and analyzing vast amounts within seconds. In engineering, AI can aid in designing and testing innovative solutions. But these benefits are not limited to these fields. Other professions that require creativity, complexity, or high skills, such as education, music, and even culinary arts, could also be positively impacted. This could happen in jobs that are creative, complex, or high-skilled, such as surgery, law, or engineering. The report also found that the impact of AI will vary across different regions and income levels. The report estimated that AI will affect 40% of jobs in emerging markets, such as China, India, and Brazil, and 26% of jobs in low-income countries, such as Ethiopia, Bangladesh, and Haiti. The reason for this difference is that these countries have a lower share of jobs that are highly exposed to AI, such as those in the service sector, and a higher share of jobs that are less exposed to AI, such as those in the agriculture sector. However, the report also warned that these countries may face other challenges from AI, such as the risk of losing their comparative advantage in labor-intensive exports, the difficulty of catching up with the technological frontier, and the lack of social safety nets and education systems to support the workers who may be displaced or need to reskill. The report concluded that AI is a double-edged sword that can bring both opportunities and challenges for the world of work. Thank you for watching this video. We hope that it has provided you with valuable insights on the impact of artificial intelligence on work and employment. If you found this content informative and want to continue learning about such fascinating topics, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on any future updates in the ever-evolving domain of AI. Your support helps us create more content like this and reach out to more curious minds like yours. So, let's keep the learning process going and stay updated together in the exciting world of AI.